Hello students, today we will study the numericals related to photoelectric effect. The first numerical is calculate the energy of a photon of wavelength 6600 angstrom. Here H is the Planck's constant, its value is 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 joule second, and C is the speed of light 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. You know energy possessed by any photon is equal to h nu, E is equal to h nu, where h is the Planck's constant and nu is the frequency of the light, whatever light it is. C speed of light, lambda is equal to wavelength of the light, or you can say the photon. You know nu is equal to C upon lambda. Nu means frequency is equal to speed of light upon wavelength of light. So what will be a formula? E is equal to hc upon lambda. When you put the value of nu is equal to C upon lambda here. So what will be your formula? E is equal to h. For nu you write C upon lambda. So E is equal to hc upon lambda. So whatever value you put, it depends on the question. Means which formula you will write, it depends upon the question. For example, if h and nu are given, then you will simply use the formula E is equal to h nu. But suppose wavelength of light, or you can say wavelength of photon is given, then you will write the formula E is equal to hc upon lambda. So now putting the value of hc and lambda in the above formula, what we get? H is equal to 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 into 3 into 10 power 8, and upon lambda is 6600 angstrom. So 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 10 meter. You know. So what we have done? We have changed angstrom into meter because all the terms should be in one unit. Since velocity of light is in meter per second, so angstrom should also be changed into meter. So 6600 angstrom means 10 power minus 10. Now this is the values. What we do now? We will solve it. How will solve? We will cut the decimal. Since after decimal one number is there, so 1 0 will be written here. So 10, it become 10. Now 66 ones are 66, 66 ones are, and 2 zeros, so 2 0 here. Now we'll see whatever numbers are coming, because now no term will cancel. So 3 is there, and into 10 power. See how many powers are there for 10. Minus 34 plus 8. Okay, on the top. From below we take minus 10, goes up, it become plus 10. 2 and 1, 3, 10 power minus 3. So how will you calculate? 3 into 10 power minus 34, 37, minus 37 and plus 18. 8 plus 10, 18. It becomes minus 19. So 3 into 10 power minus 19 joule. So this is your answer, and you know that energy E has the unit joule. So you can simply write the value if you have known the value that joule is the unit of energy. Now second numerical. A photon has an energy of 20 electron volt. Calculate the wavelength of the photon. H is equal to 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 joule second. C is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So now by quantum theory, the energy E of a photon of wavelength lambda is given by, E is equal to hc upon lambda, or you can say E is equal to h nu. Lambda is equal to cross multiply u. So lambda is equal to, lambda come here, so hc upon E. Because from formula anything can be asked. So you have to take out. So lambda is equal to hc upon E. Now E is equal to 20 electron volt, has an energy of 20 electron volt. So E energy is equal to 20 electron volt, means EV. So 20. 1 electron volt is equal to how much? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. So you put the value here, you solve it. 20 into 1.6, it becomes 32, because this 0 and this decimal will cancel. So now 10 power minus 19 joule. So now lambda is equal to 6.6 into 10 power minus 34. C is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 upon E. What is E? 32 into 10 power minus 19. You have calculated, you put it here. Now how to solve the numerical? That's the main thing. You make mistakes in this. That's why I solved it completely. So see how to solve the numerical properly. See here, 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34 into 3 into 10 power 8 upon 32 into 10 power minus 90. See here, into, since I can cut the decimal here, so 10 written here. Now you cut it 32 and 66. So with 2 you cut, it becomes 16, here 33. It becomes, so 33 into 3, 99 into 10 power minus 34 plus 8, this minus 19 on the top plus 19, this 10 goes up, then minus 1, okay. So 99 upon 16 into 10 power, you can solve this. Now 99 divided by 16, 16 6 are 96, 3 remaining. Now no number here, so what you do, you put the decimal and put 1 0. So 66 1s are 16, 1s are 16, 10 minus 6 4, 2 minus 1 1. Now decimal is there, so 1 0 you can put here. It goes 8 times 128. When you subtract it, 10 minus 8 2, 3 minus 2 1, so 12. So 16 7s are 112. 10 minus 2 again 8. So 16 5s are 80. So 6.1875 into 10 power minus 8. Now what you do? You put this decimal here up to 2 places. So 618.75 into 10 power minus 10. Since decimal has moved 2 places to the right, so the negativity of the power will increase. Because here the positive nature increase, so here negativity will increase. So 2 steps, so minus 2. So minus 10, minus 8, minus 2, minus 10. So 608.75 angstrom. This 10 to a minus 10 meter is equal to what? 1 angstrom. So what do you, we put it in angstrom. So if it is possible to change it into the bigger unit, then it's easy. If it is not, if you solve up to here also, then it also correct. Okay. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the video.